Imagine having access to clean, renewable energy 24/7, that's what Waaree Energies Limited is doing with its cutting-edge solar technology. But have you ever wondered how this Indian company brings it all together? Let's dive into their story. Waaree Energies Limited manufactures and exports the latest solar photovoltaic modules for residential, commercial, industrial, and institutional projects. They're not just building solar panels, they're creating a sustainable future for communities around the world. And with three main segments underpinning their business: solar photovoltaic module manufacturing, EPC and O&M Solutions, and independent power producer, you can see why investors are so excited about this company. Their product lineup is impressive: HJT, TOPCon, mono PERC, polycrystalline, flexible, and special modules, off-grid and on-grid inverters, and solar products like water heaters and pumps. They also provide engineering, procurement, construction solutions, operation and maintenance services, and independent power producer operations. But what really sets Waaree Energies apart is their commitment to renewable energy. As an independent power producer, they generate clean energy for the grid while reducing their carbon footprint. And with a market cap of over $823 million, investors are confident in this company's growth potential. So why should you care? It's not just about solar panels, it's about creating jobs, driving economic growth, and helping to meet our nation's renewable energy needs. With Waaree Energies Limited at the forefront of this effort, it's clear that they're making a real difference in the world. This is not financial advice. Please do your own research. Use this information at your own risk.